Sir, kayo, sir.
Grabe po, ano rin. Totoo, totoo.
44. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. And now, may 2 points sa yung boys. Ayan. Ayan. Grabe ay strategy ng boys. Magaling talaga silang magbilang. Ayan, kitang-kita naman. Ayan, girls, babawi pa ba tayo? May last chance pa tayo. Ay, babawi. Ayan. Okay, and now, let's move on to our third category. Arrange yourselves according to the past relationship. Ayan, according to your exes. Ayan, past relationship mo. Past intent. Boyfriend and girlfriends po, ilan po ang ating past relationship intent? 9, 8, 7, 6.
Pila na agad.
Ayan, umaapila na yung guest. First na tayo na una. Ayan. Okay, ma'am. Sa ilang dekada natin sayasamin, nakailan? Ayun, grabe. Ayun. Wala yan. Ayan, 1. Okay, how about you, ma'am? 2. Dito sa Pilipinas lang. Ayan, 2. Kayo po? 3. Ayan. Don't tell me. 4. Sabi, name-drop kayong 4. Paki-name-drop kayong 4. Name-drop. Eh, bawal daw. Pass is pass. Ayan, kayo po. Hindi na lang para sa sobrang. Ayan, nandito daw kasi asawa. Totoo bang 5? Nasa yung asawa. Ayan, totoo bang 5? Dahil meron ka pang hindi nakikwento. Ayan, congratulations girls. Meron na kayong 1 point. Ayan, naka 1 point na. Okay, and now, let's move on to our fourth category. I want you now to arrange yourselves according to your birth month. Birth month in 10, 9, 8. Ayan, grabe yung girls. Grabe talaga ng pala si Mari. Ayan, kailan po ang birth month? February. Dito ka ba nag-20, ma'am? Ay, wait. Ayan, kayo po. June. October. December. Okay, and now, all 2 na po. Ayan mo, ang clutch pa ng gusto. Okay, and now, it's a tiebreaker na. All 2 na po. And now, we are down to our last category. I want you now to arrange yourselves according to your shoe size. Shoe size in 10, 9, 8, 7. Ayan, buwis na talaga ang una. Ayan, i-verify pa natin yan, i-verify. Okay, shoe size, sir. 42. 42 din. 42. 43. 55.
Patingin?
45. Ayan. And now we have a winner.
Patingin.
Ayan. Congratulations sa boys. Ayan. Ayan, pinatingin